Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about how you can turn off TalkBack feature in your OPPO smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start, friends. Friends, you can see if you have this problem, swipe up problem or this, you have to simply tap on one time, make a password like this. You can see you have to swipe up by double finger. You can see you have to do this. Then you have to click on system, double tap to open it, click on additional settings, double tap, accessibility, double tap, vision, double tap. Here it is the talkback feature, double tap, click off to off it. And friends, this is how you can turn off this talkback feature. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.